Hey welcome back to Michigander Outdoors. We are once again going to our little home spot, I guess you can call it, because it's right down the road from home. Yeah, it's a little creek. It's quite crowded and pressured, but I found one little spot that I see fish swimming around that I'm gonna try to throw something at it. Last time I saw some pike, but I lost my spoon and my maps. So we're gonna try to throw a weedless rigged mondo worm. It's got a lot of action and it's weedless. And then we're gonna try the bandito bug to see if there's any little smallmouth or largemouth hanging out. So wish me luck. See you on the water. So, as you can see, as soon as I walk in there, I'm going to cast a shadow. So I need to not do that. So I need to be ready as I go in there. I think we're going to try the weedless mondo first. So, that's all you do. You just got a worm hook, feed it through, and voila. This water's super clear. Anyway, today is the first day it has not been in the 90s. So I figure that should help get these fish moving. So we are gonna give her a dangle. Those guys came out of nowhere. I hope you can see that. That was awesome. All right, drop a comment below if you were fishing in a spot like this. It's pressured, there's shade, you can see the fish, so you gotta be super careful. What would you throw? Tried the mondo worm because I thought they'd be finicky or they'd be lethargic, and yeah, want a big meal, but that's not happening. Here, I'm just gonna put this fanny pack on so we look cool. Oh shit, oh fuck, there's a huge smallmouth right there. Come on. No, not yet. Is there? Yeah.
So I just caught bait for it.
Oh, I just saw a big smallmouth. There's probably a 3-pounder in here.
Oh yeah.
So.
Yeah. This is the best spot for bar.
Yeah. Okay, that's what we're throwing today. I think tomorrow we need to just bring live bait and sit here. I think we need to tie on a Ned rig. How does that even happen when the entire goddamn spool? This is stupid. Alright. Try and rattle in Ned. Well, yeah, don't buy a Field and Stream Tango rod, because I don't know what I was hooked into, but yeah, that is what happens when you put too much pressure on it. I guess you get what you pay for. That was only, I think, $30. I was hooked on someone else's line and I was slowly pulling it in. It's somewhere down here now. I just want to catch a fish today, please. Oh shit, come on, Lucy. Holy shit. Whew. That is how you catch a small creek largemouth. I've been waiting all day for this guy. No, it's not. It's a pound and a half. This might be the longest one. 0. No. It's only 16. Got excited over nothing. Alright, here you go, Sally. Well, apparently, sometimes, I don't know how that happens. So, we gotta cut them off. For how I found that fish, I mean, this is really just a small spot that I'm throwing everywhere, but right where the current kind of breaks, where you see the difference in color, he was sitting right there. But yeah, so right where I just threw it, where there's the difference in current, that's where that fish was hanging out. Apparently there's some pike over there this guy's trying to catch. I'd say for small creeks, creature baits are the ticket. You want to fish them slow. Rule of thumb is if you think you're going too slow, you're going too fast. That was a big ass fish in this little ass creek. What not to use is this Field and Stream Tango rod. The Shimano on there is nice, but the rod is El Junco. Ideally, you'd be walking along this whole thing if the population allows you, but this is the middle of Livonia. So, I don't know about you, but I always tear up these things. That's what sucks. They're expensive and they tear easy. They work, but come on, Googans, do a little better. Shit. Oh, there's a big ass pike right there. I think you can see how it moves. See all those legs moving? If I was a bass, I'd want to eat that too. Alright, I think we need to go home after one more cast. Hey yo. Well, today was not a total waste, even though I broke a rod. We got one fish in a very pressured area. That was, for this area, is, I'd say it's pretty good. They don't have 5-pound hogs in here, I don't think, but you know, 2-pounder, pound and a half, 16, 17 inches. Yeah, I'd take that all day around here. Hope you guys liked this video today. What worked was the bandito bug, but yeah, I seen a pike swimming around, so I'm thinking about trying to catch a couple little bluegill and yeah, getting after that guy. Anyway, hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any more on Michigander Outdoors.